Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use the Natural Reader web app to listen to your ebooks and other documents. Whether you're using this tool for accessibility, study, or leisure, these instructions will help you get started quickly. Let's dive in. So first off, there's multiple ways to get to the next screen to where you can choose a voice and then upload your book. What we're going to do is click Get Started and then click Personal. You see the option for several different voices, and these are all going to be premium voices, but you can click play and listen to them.
Dear team, I hope this email finds you well. I wanted to remind...
He couldn't help
And you
but
can go through
smile as he
different-
watched the sun rise over the...
You can go through different voices to see which one you like.
Dear team, I hope this email
However, when we get to the next screen,
finds you well. I wanted to remind...
we're going to have to choose a free version to work for longer than a couple of minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Next. Since this explainer video is for personal use, we're going to click for personal use and say go to AI text-to-speech. And now we see our text-to-speech where we could type to text here. If you want to save things, you're going to have to log in or sign up. So you can click log in or sign up here. You can log in or sign up with Google, Apple, or you can create your own login with just an email. I go back. So let's upload an ebook. So what you're going to do is go over here and click Document. And then it says Add. You can add a document. You can add an image. You can add a web page to be read aloud. But we are going to show you how to do an ebook. So I'm going to click Document. I'm going to find an ebook that I downloaded. This one right here is an EPUB file. When you open it, it may take some time to convert to be able to be read aloud. So just be patient while it uploads and changes the file to what it needs to be. All right, now after it finally uploads, we can now have it read aloud. The first thing you're going to want to do is click right here to change the voice. And you're going to need to go to the free voices, unless you want to pay for a subscription, which you can do. But we're going to do a free voice, and you can listen to them.
Dear team, I hope this email...
Today, the government announced new economic...
I can't believe we actually did it.
And you can choose the one you like the best, and we're going to click Use. We're going to close that. And now if we could click Play...
The Project Gutenberg ebook of Great Expectations. This ebook is for the use.
Now it'll read aloud for us. If we go back...
The Project Gutenberg ebook of Great
It'll start reading the passage before. If we click forward...
This ebook is for the use of anyone, anywhere.
It'll read the next passage. If we click this right here, it will adjust the speed of the voice reading. We can make it read faster, or we can make it read slower. You can also click on a section, and it will read that aloud.
Title: Great Expectations. Author: Charles Dickens.
Over here, you'll see some options where you can turn closed captions off or on. Here you'll see the option to zoom in or zoom out on the text. Here you will see a highlighter feature, which is only available to premium users, so we're not going to show you that. And then there's this search button where you can find stuff within your document. There's several other options here which you can peruse, and there are several other options over here. But from this point forward, you can click play and have the book read aloud to you. And that is the end of the demonstration. Now you know how to use the updated Natural Reader web app to listen to your ebooks. We've we've covered everything from signing in, uploading files, customizing your reading experience, controlling playback, and even looking at some advanced features. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And thank you for watching, and happy listening.